I like to see other people succeed. The least important thing is the goals. Don't be afraid to fail. Try it, doesn't work, never mind, throw it away, then we go this direction instead. Be open to that you might have to change your idea. It might evolve into something else along the way. I should have a good nickname, which is easy to remember and who can describe me, and people will remember who I am. And since I have a beard and I work with cloud, it was easy. Then it was Cloudbeard. I have 5 kids, not a lot of time for my own hobbies, but I've managed to mix them. So I really like football, and my daughter really likes to play football. So I'm a football coach for her team. Teach them and see how they develop and evolve and learning new skills. I think that's the best part. When you're talking about football and talking to the girls in the team, and I say they all have different experiences. It's the way you communicate, and you're talking to a customer, and you might talking to some really techie guys, and you talk to them in a certain way. Then you have a C-level executive, you have to talk to him or her in another way. Be a good translator between technology and sales or C-level or whatever. We have a good story, and by that I mean that we could take care of everything from our customers. Mostly talking about cloud, since that's where I work, but we can help them from on-prem up to cloud. How they're gonna move, we can help them move, we can do assessments if needed, and all the way, the whole journey. Then my first question is, why are you moving to the cloud? Because if you don't know why you're moving, I think it's hard to do a successful. What are you moving? Because you maybe shouldn't move everything, depends. Most things is easy to move. Some things are more difficult to move, and there are a few things who maybe shouldn't be moved. And for me, it's more important that I can say no than say yes, and the customer moves it and it will not work. Fail fast is something I talk about a lot when I talk to customers, that don't be afraid to fail. Try it, doesn't work, never mind, throw it away, then we go this direction instead. Some companies, they spend a lot of time thinking about how they want to do things when they're moving to cloud, instead of starting moving from day one. And then you move in small steps instead, because then you have your progress all the time. 18 months thinking about how they're gonna do things. The thing is, while they've been thinking for 18 months, the cloud has evolved for 18 months with new services. So this is already outdated. Find something that this company finds really small and see that you can have a quick win here. And then we do that project first. And by doing this and showing the rest of the organization, look how fast and how quick we did this, and look how much easier it gets, then that will be kind of like a business case to use for the rest of the organization. I think that if you're really interested in working with the latest and greatest technologies or cloud technologies, and this is definitely a good place to be. You have a lot of opportunities to grow. It doesn't have to be a straight road, you can always maybe I should try this, and then you can go that way. That's not a problem. We are really open to what people want to do with their career, how they want to develop their career, and the way we do it and how we do it. I haven't really seen that in other companies.